recycled soap. And we're gonna basically like line them up like this. Now this is my first time doing this. It was just something I thought about doing because I really liked the soap and the fragrance, and I was like, I want to do it. So we basically gonna try to pour the soap between these little nooks and crannies, okay? Y'all feel me? Y'all get where I'm going with this? I really don't want no spaces. Trying to move fast when my soap thicking up. Okay, so now we're gonna pour our first layer on. See, it's moving. I gotta move this over. Got those moved, y'all. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna bang it down. Work on the next layer. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know how he be getting all in his lovey-dovey stages and want to play music super loud. I gotta cut these right here, right now. Okay, make it long enough for that here. What if it pushed all the... Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm hoping it didn't push everything down. Okay, let's pour, y'all. It smells so good, y'all. It smells just like cotton candy. Now, I think I'm gonna pipe the rest of this on here because I have like enough left to pipe. So I'll be right back, y'all. Right back, I promise.
Okay, y'all. So I have my ice sand. Not ice sand, but I don't think it's ready. I just shut down that way. This one not ready. I think this one gonna be the top one. Let's see, y'all. Y'all see that? It's coming out too loose. That's how I know it's not ready. Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. So yes, I am re-recording this part because it ended up going in slow mode, y'all, for the whole entire video of me piping this part. So I'm like, you know what, I'ma just, do a voiceover. But as you can see, I was not patient, so I did not really wait for my icing to get thick, but it still came out super, super cute. And I made little embeds with the rest of it because why not? Okay, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. I would really like to know what you think about my cotton candy twist soap. Stay tuned for the cut. Make sure you subscribe so you can see what it's looking like.
I hope you enjoyed it. Let's get a closer view up on this soap bar. What do y'all think? Comment down below, please. And y'all, look at these. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.